And to you, my dear brother DD, I am here to bid you farewell. You walked the path not always lit. Through the dust of doubt, you did commit. I worked with you at close range and saw your commitment. Your voice was not always loud, but it was firm and still. You were able to shape the cause with quiet will. I saw you bear the weight of the province and the land with dignity and with fortitude. You also bore that weight with measured step and with a steady hand. Through storms and the winds as they swayed, you were unmoved. You held the center night and day. And now, my dear brother, do rest, brave son of the African soil. I can say, as many of us do today, your work is done and your work is complete. The country remembers you. And all we can say today to you is that you should rest in eternal peace. DD, the cat of Mpumalanga, Ikati laseMpumalanga. I thank you for who you were to all of us. Thank you.